My cat. My cat is amazing. Give him a sniff. He doesn't like it. Just get close up. Say hello, Red. You don't like this, do you?
Do you know what?
He doesn't like looking at himself.
He likes lying on you, does he?
Yeah, no. He likes me. My cat. Called Red. Red.
Hello. Nothing, let's just see what you're up to. Oh, okay. Alright. I'll speak to you in a bit. That's alright. Phone me when you're done. Alright. Love you. Bye. Man, they're always busy.
I'm a man.
You're not, you're a boy.
You just won my dreams.
What have you got on this anyway? What are you looking at?
I'm looking at nothing.
Looking at yourself?
Yeah. No, I'm not.
What are you looking at yourself for? You get covered in cat hair, look.
Who cares?
Ruben!
You lovely cat. Ben stopped chewing now, it's all healing up.
Yay.
Tasha! My dog.
Where is,
Cool.
Ben?
Yeah, it's all healing up now.
Is that?
Stopped chewing, it's pretty much healed up. I'm not putting that on, I have my hair done.
Say hello.
Tasha's not putting that on.
Dad, you put it.
Meow.
But yeah, no, he's still walking
Meow.
I
funny.
can't because I'm the doctor.
Alright,
But
mate,
he's
alright.
You're not the doctor.
He's getting walked every day.
Is he getting,
Hi guys.
has he had injections or anything?
My cat.